Hey guys, welcome to Maths tutorial. Today we will find the roots of a quadratic equation which is x square is equal to -1. So let's start. At first we will take -1 to the left hand side and we will get x square plus 1 is equal to 0. And we can rewrite it as x square minus of -1 is equal to 0. And now look that we can write it as x square minus I square is equal to 0. And here note that I is an imaginary complex number. Oh, and the value of I is square root of -1. Now we will write it as x minus I times x plus I is equal to 0 because here we have applied a formula of a square minus b square which is equal to a minus b times a plus b, and here a is equal to x and b is equal to I. And now look here that if the product of two terms is 0, then the value of either of those terms will be 0. So here either x minus I is equal to 0 or x plus I is equal to 0. And if x minus I is equal to 0, then the value of x will be I. And if x plus I is equal to 0, then the value of x will be minus I. So we get the value of x is equal to I and minus I. And these are the complex roots. And hence this equation has no real roots. Thank you for watching.